Hello, I have a book review for you today on Woodland Animals by Lindsay Graves. This is the front of the book. It is glue bound, and this is the back of the book. The book dimensions are 8 by 10. There are 30 coloring pages in this book. Across from each one of the illustrations, it tells you what animal it is. The paper is medium weight. The pages are non-perforated. You can easily remove them with an X-Acto knife. All of the illustrations are single-sided. If you use markers, please put in a sheet of cardstock or an extra couple of sheets of paper so you don't have bleed through to the next page. I would recommend this book to everyone, beginner to advanced colorists, and children, teens, all ages. Some really cute pictures in here. And there's a sheet in the back that you can test out your colors on. And there you have it, Woodland Animals by Lindsay Graves.